Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix Shopify payment on hold. If your Shopify payments are on hold, you can try the following steps. First of all, check if you have received an email from Shopify regarding your payment being on hold. If you have, respond directly to that email for support. If you haven't received an email, log into your Shopify account and select Support, and choose Contact Support from the menu. Now, type Contact Support in the search bar and hit Search. Then select Request a Callback, Chat with us, or email us from the options. If you have already taken the necessary steps to lift the hold and still haven't received a response, you can contact Shopify's support team through live chat, email, or callback. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.